Hey folks, Mike here from Ollie, and in this video I want to show you how to quickly create your homepage and blog page with the Ollie block theme. Now, your homepage is arguably the most important page on your website, right? It's like the billboard for your product or service. It's usually the first page people land on, and it's also the page that links off to all the other important pages on your site. Historically, creating your homepage and setting up your blog in WordPress has been kind of a pain, but with Ollie, it's an absolute breeze. So let's jump into WordPress and see how easy it actually is. All right, so for this demo, I'm going to be using the Ollie block theme, and you can go to olliewp.com to grab that and download it and install it. And let's hop over into the WordPress admin. So here we are, I have Ollie installed, I have it activated. And if we're setting up our homepage and blog for a new site, one of the easiest ways to get those created and set up is by using the Ollie setup wizard. So if I go over here to Appearance and go to Ollie, you see here, this is the Ollie dashboard where we have access to docs, a theme setup, a video library, and all that good stuff. But one of the more powerful features is the theme setup. And I have a whole video about this theme setup, so I won't go through the whole thing, but just to show you how to do our homepage and blog, I'm going to go over here to the Create Pages tab. And in this tab, we're able to create pages automatically. So instead of you having to go in and manually create pages, your homepage and blog, we can just create them here. And what we'll do is automatically add a pattern to a page, set a template, and create that page for you. So you can see here, I have the homepage and blog page selected. I'm going to go ahead and just choose those for now and click Create Pages and Continue. And you'll see here now I'm at a page where I can set up what page do I want to be my home, what page do I want to be my blog. So I'm going to click a custom page, and then I'm going to choose from that drop down a page I just created, the home page. And you can see here the blog page is selected, and if I click blog, it'll show me that I have my blog page selected. So if I hit save and finish and then go to view our site, you can see here I went from the default index post view to now I have a homepage created, and also I have a blog created. So just with a few clicks, I was able to automatically create those super quick and easy with the Ollie setup wizard. So check that out. Even if it's not a new site, you can still use that feature to quickly generate those pages. We can also create these pages manually if we want, using a similar process, but just slightly more manual. So let's go ahead and hop into the WordPress admin, and I'm going to go to Pages and I'm going to add new, and we'll just call this new homepage. And what we're going to do to create that homepage layout is use patterns. So patterns are pre-designed sections of content that ship with the Ollie theme, and we can use these to quickly build out page sections or full page designs. So if we go to the block inserter, and we'll see there's a patterns tab, I'm going to click that. And you can see here we have a categorized view of all the patterns available in the Ollie theme. So I want to kind of design a full page quickly, so I'm going to click the Pages category. And you can see here we get listed out the page designs that are available in this theme. I'm also going to click Explore All Patterns down here in the corner, because that gives me a bigger view of the patterns and I don't have to kind of squint. I can just see them nice and big on my screen. So let's go ahead and find the homepage pattern. I'm going to click that. And just like that, you can see it's inserted a full design into my page. It looks awesome. I can go ahead and start customizing this and everything, but you'll notice there's a few quirks about this so far. Right now, it's using the default page template, which works great for standard content, keeps your content nice and center aligned, and has a title at the top. But for this homepage design, we want the design to kind of take up the full width of the screen, and we don't want this title at the top. We want this to be our title. So what we can do here is come over to the page settings, and then in the template, instead of the default template, what we'll do is choose page no title. And when I select that, you'll see what happened immediately was that this design now takes up the full width of the page. And I can go down, you can see that it stretches the full width. And when I publish that and view the page, you can see what it also did. So it took up the full width, and it also removed that page title that was at the top of the page, as we see here. So that is gone now, and now we are left with our full design. So we're almost there, but there's one thing we have to do. Because we removed this page title, we don't have an H1 heading on our website anymore. So we need to make sure to replace that. So what we can do is go down here to this pattern, and we'll select this. This actually does have an H1 because it was designed like that, but if you don't have an H1, say it's an H2, you just click on this heading and you can change the level to H1. You might have to adjust the size of the font after you switch from H2 to an H1, but that's how we do it. And then now that we've added our H1 back, our page will be SEO friendly, and it will read right in search engines. So that's it for the homepage. And for the blog page, we would do something very similar. So we would just do add new, and we'll call that new blog, and we'll go to patterns. We'll open up the Explorer and go to pages, and then click blog page. Similar thing here, we're going to change the template to the full width and publish that. And then when we view the page, we can see that we've created a blog page. So just like that, we've used the power of Ollie patterns to quickly design out a full page design and not have to go in and tweak all the nitty-gritty details. We'll just lean on the patterns and have those created for us automatically. So that's it. That's how you quickly create your homepage and blog page using either the Ollie setup wizard or manually with Ollie patterns. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next few videos where we go even deeper on some of the more powerful features of WordPress and how to use them with the Ollie theme. All right, that's all I have for now. Thanks for hanging out for a bit. We'll see you later.